Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a comparison that freelancers often ask about: Fiverr versus TaskRabbit. These two platforms are both popular, but they serve very different types of work. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your skills and goals. And before we get started, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more freelancing tips and platform comparisons. Let's begin with Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace where freelancers offer digital services, also known as gigs. These can include graphic design, writing, editing, voiceovers, social media management, and thousands of other digital tasks. You create gig packages, set your own prices, and clients purchase from you instantly. Fiverr is ideal for freelancers who want to work from home, take on multiple clients, and enjoy flexible project-based work. On the other hand, TaskRabbit focuses on local physical services. Instead of digital tasks, TaskRabbit connects people with taskers who can help with things like cleaning, moving, assembling furniture, repairing household items, running errands, and other real-world jobs. It's designed for people who are willing to work in person, often within their local community. You set your hourly rate, and clients book you for on-site tasks. Now, let's compare the two. Fiverr works entirely online, making it perfect for freelancers who want remote work and digital-based income. If you want to earn from creative skills, technical skills, or digital services without leaving your home, Fiverr is the clear winner. TaskRabbit, however, is great for people who prefer hands-on work and enjoy helping others in person. It's also a good option if you want fast local income without building a portfolio or online brand. Another big difference is how clients find you. On Fiverr, clients discover your gigs through search results, so your success depends on optimization and reviews. On TaskRabbit, clients browse profiles and choose a tasker based on ratings, skills, and hourly rates. Fiverr is more global and competitive, while TaskRabbit is more local and depends on demand in your city. So, which one should you choose? If you're a digital freelancer or want to work entirely online, Fiverr is the best platform to focus on. But if you're comfortable doing physical tasks, enjoy face-to-face work, or want quick local jobs, TaskRabbit is a strong option. Some people even use both. TaskRabbit for local, fast-paying jobs, and Fiverr for long-term online income. If this comparison helped you decide, go ahead and like this video, share it with your fellow freelancers, and don't forget to subscribe for more guides to help you grow your online career. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.